Hello to everybody. Today, directly from Italy, I will show you how to make the wine at home. Here we have the grape. I show you only the recipe because I will make maybe 7-8 liters of wine. That is very nothing. But during the video I show you what my friends are doing. They are doing, I think, 70-80 liters of wine. So now we take the grape and we go at home. Now we must mash our grapes and remove the stalks. I will use this pot, and after I will put everything in the fermentator that usually I use to make the beer. Four kilograms are really few, but don't worry, my friends, they are making the real wine, so the big quantity. Probably I will show you something directly from them. But now, this is only a tutorial, so now we put the lid with the bobber and we wait that the fermentation start by themselves or by itself, or I'm not sure. I think by itself. I have already put the bobber on the lid. Now we should wait that the fermentation start. Also, if something is already happened after 1 hour because the bobber is not a level. So see you in the next days to check the fermentation. Today is the 4th day, like I showed you yesterday. The fermentation is already start. Today all our grapes are floating on the wine, so to avoid that the wine become vinegar, we should mix everything together. In this occasion, because we have made only 4 kilograms of grape, we can shake our container. If you have a big quantity, like I showed you already, with a big wood spoon, you should mix everything together very well. You should do this every day. Keep attention, because now that we shake the fermentator, a lot of balls will go out through the bobber. See you in the next days. After 9-10 days, the fermentation is it's finished. You can see this from the bobber that now is at level. So now we remove the bobber, we pour out the wine in another container, and after we squeeze the things that remain inside this container. I will do this with the hand and with a filter. If you do a big quantity, you will need a special instrument, but if you use that instrument, please don't squeeze too much the grapes, if not the wine will be little bit bitter. You can smell a nice smell of wine already. Now we take the grapes, we put inside and we smash. I close the container with the lid and with the bobber. The goal is to avoid that the wine go or have a contact with the air. If you have make a big quantity, usually you should put a specific oil for the wine. In this way he cannot touch the air. But like if you make a small quantity and you have already the fermentator for the beer, you can use it in the same way that I have done. The people that do the wine normally, they should change the container 2 or 3 times until November, so in 2 months, and after they wait until the spring and put the wine in the bottle. Naturally, I have not this time. If not, you can see the video. So I will wait few days or 1 week, and after I will put again the old container. In this way, the material that remain in the wine will go on the bottom and remain there. I don't know the English word. In Italian language we call fecce. So, making this change of container, you filter the wine. After that I have changed the container one more, I will put in the bottle, but I will show you very soon. After 1 week, I will put the wine in the other box or in the other fermentator. If you do a big quantity, you should wait more and do more than 1 time. I will do only this time because it's a few wine. I will filter with the paper. If you have a coffee filter, it will be perfect. I will wait 5 days, 1 week, and after I will put the wine in the bottles. So prepare the bottles. You will need more or less 3 bottles of 750 ml. After 5 days I put the wine in the bottle. If you do the normal wine, follow with the traditional method, you will do this in the spring, so after 5-6 months, because there will be another fermentation during the spring. But don't worry, you can put directly in the bottle like me, and if you open the bottle there is a strange smell, don't worry. The important thing is that you leave open few hours and the smell will go away, because the wine to stabilize and need another kind of fermentation that will happen after a few months. I have found this small lid, so you can put this lid with the hand. If you do a lot of wine, you need to find the proper one. This is 20 millimeter. You will need 24, 26 or 30 millimeters. But to put the lid big like this, you will need the machine. But now let's put the wine in the bottles. With 4 kilograms of grapes, we get 2 liters and something of wine. See you for the tasting. Very nice, also a little bit sparkly. Now I will try it with the cheese. Here on the top later you will find a playlist with videos to make the cheese at home, homemade cheese. Let's try it. Spectacular. Okay guys, see you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel here, to leave me a like it and to watch the other videos. Bye bye. The alcohol contained is around 12-13 degrees, so be careful.